So visual impact is what we discussed today, right? And there are a lot of things that are important about visual impact. So the key here is that it has to be impactful, right? So the word impact is very important because in business, when you present, when you talk and communicate, you want to ensure that there's impact in anything that you do, because impact will lead to excitement. So when you get your audience or your customer or your clients excited, then something magical will happen, because the excitement will then lead to agreement. When your customers are excited, they kind of agree with whatever you say, and they tend to believe you because they are also excited already. And agreement will lead to something that is very interesting, which is the thing that they always tell themselves, I want it, I want it. And so if you're presenting a product, you're presenting a service, once they agree with what you say, definitely at the end they will say, I want it. And that is where you will give them the satisfaction of owning your idea, owning your product, owning the service, that you're trying to impart to them. And so that is what I want to say at the end, that impact is very important. And that's why every time when we communicate, whether in business or personally, we want to ensure that somehow there should be impact in the things that we do. And if you want to learn more,
Yes.
yeah, you can always get my book. I have this book here. Okay, so I actually published 2 books a couple of years ago. These are printed books. You can get it at the bookstore in Singapore. But I also have converted the books into a digital format. I'm giving a special bundle in this talk. Instead of 47, you get it at 32.90. You can use the link there, or you can scan the QR code. And you use the code LIVE30 and you get that discount. The first book is about ideas, presentation ideas that you can generate. It's a motivational book, the first one, which is Sticky Presentation. The second one is a book that has a lot of slide examples. So if I were to show it to you, this is the 2 books. These are 2 books that I have. These are physical books, right? Real books, right? Okay, real books. Okay, so the second book is the one with a lot of slide examples and high impact slides. All those examples that I talk about. But you get it in a digital format. That means the benefit of the digital format is that it is interactive. That means I can show you video examples. I can show you animated ideas, about what I talk about. I can also have video narration. The first book, Sticky Presentation, every page is narrated. That means you see a video of me reading the book to you. If you do not want to read the book, right, you have an option to listen to my video, read the book to you, or you can read it by yourself.